My name is Fiona Parchment, aka Fifi Star. I play the role Fifi in the movie One by One.
So it's all acting and things.
It's all acting and it's all good.
But you know, beneath all this, in terms of the message, you know, in terms of something positive, but you don't want to say to the kids at home who are thinking about violence. You know, because although it's a movie, you know, we have said violence free same way. So we definitely have to say.
Crime don't pay, because at the end, I'll have to die, you know?
Just make curious, tell me what go on in terms of positive message.
Yeah, that's reality. And the message behind all things, you see, anything you work for in life, you shall get it. So if you chat down the bad road and say a bad man, you know, say a death at the reward for badness. So you're going to reach it, a death you get. So if bad one pick up badness, you're not dead one by one.
Alright, so basically the reality of it is that if you chat a bad part, it's going to be a bad end.
My name is Natalie Franklin and I play KK. I'm staying, of course, the boss's wife. But guess what? As we're saying about violence, so you young girls out there who like the gangster men, be careful. You see what Fifi just did? Because I am dating the gangster, you know, who killed Fifi's sister, and I am paying the price for it. Because see what happened to me, it will happen to you in real life. Be careful.
True.
One by One, best movie. Watch it. Trust me, you are gonna love it. It's enjoyable, and you're gonna love it. It's on Facebook, YouTube, all over. Boom. One by one.
It's just a message, you know, message.